Hi everyone, since problem. Here circuit is given. In circuit, how can you find the current I0 value? So in the given circuit, 50 volts voltage source is there and 22 ohms resistor is there and 5 I0 dependent voltage source is there. Then how can you find the current I0 value? So this is the current I0 direction is given. So let's consider that here the voltage is V1 and here V2 voltage and here V3 voltage. So according to KVL, we know that sum of all voltages in the loop is equal to 0. So that is V1 plus V2 plus V3 equal to 0. So here the current direction is like this. So here the current is entering at minus. So here the voltage is minus 54 volts plus, and in the resistor by applying Ohm's law we will get the voltage is 22 I0 plus, and V3 is the current is entering at plus sign. So it was taken as plus 5 I0, that's equal to 0. By simplifying this, we will get I0 equal to 4 amperes. So from the options, option is the correct option. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.